All right, today for our notes, we are going to do multiplying and dividing integers. Should be pretty simple. This is a review, so nothing new. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so when we multiply and divide integers, we multiply the numbers like we normally would. And again, we're just going to ignore those negative signs. And then when we see a negative sign, it will determine if it's going to be a positive or a negative. So if we have an even amount of negative signs, the answer will be a positive answer. So we have 2 negative signs, 4 negative signs, 6 negative signs. An odd number of negatives will make the answer be negative. So if I have 1 negative, 3 negatives, 5 negatives, etc., then the answer is going to be negative. So let's look at these over here. So again, these are all the same numbers besides this bottom one, except the number of signs. So at the top, 2 times 3, again, is 6. Okay, a positive, they're both positive, and there's no negative signs. So again, positive, positive gives us a positive. Okay, so again, 2 and negative 3, 2 times negative 3 is 6, or 2 times 3 is 6. Since we have one negative is odd, so my answer is negative. Negative 6. Okay, so we have negative 2 times 3. So again, 2 times 3 is 6. We have one negative, so our answer is going to be negative. One negative means it's odd, so answer is negative. Again, 2 and 3 make 6. This time we have 2 negatives. So since 2 is an even number, our answer is going to be positive. So we get positive 6. Okay, so our next one we have 4 times negative 2. So 4 times 2 is 8. We're going to count our negative signs, which is 1. So since it's 1 negative, 1 is odd, our answer is going to be negative. Okay, so let's look at a couple more examples, kind of different numbers. So the dot means to multiply. So again, multiply the numbers. 10 times 8 is going to be 80. We have one negative sign, 1 is odd, so our answer is going to be negative. So negative 80. Okay, so this time we have 3 numbers. So when we have 3 numbers, we multiply 2 numbers together first, then times our second one. So we're going to do 6 times 2 is 12, and then 12 times 1 is 1. Okay, and now we count our negative signs. We have 1, 2, 3. 3 is odd, so my answer is negative. Okay, so a couple division. Division, same thing as multiplying. We're going to divide the numbers, then we look at our signs. So we have negative 15 divided by negative 3. So 15 divided by 3 is 5. We have 2 negative signs. 2 is even, so our answer is positive. So it's going to say positive 5. Then we have negative 18 divided by 6. So 18 divided by 6 is 3. And then we're going to count our number of signs. We have 1 negative, 1 is odd, so our answer is going to be negative. Okay, so this is going to be your homework assignment today, is multiplying and dividing integers, and then you're going to have a review of what we did yesterday, which was fractions, decimals, and percents, and that is going to be it for your homework assignment.